Good morning, you guys, and happy Vlogmas day 12. I just got out the shower. Actually, I just woke up. It's almost 8 o'clock, and the kids just woke up. Well, Jedi's been up, but me and Ayla and Onyx just woke up. I just showered, put some clothes on. I need to do my hair still, but I just getting a start, early start. Hot cocoa. Getting an early start on my morning. The kids are loving this still. Don't mind Ayla with her dad's AirPod. Yeah, Daya made you some hot cocoa. I have a few things I want to do today, so I'm trying to get a start early. I noticed that during the week, if I get out with the kids earlier, there's less traffic in the stores, so I really just need to go to like two stores. But really it's just to get them out the house too, because I could do this when Pedro gets off work, but I'd rather take my kids out. So I'm gonna make them something to eat for breakfast, bundle them up in some warm clothes so we can head out. It's 9 o'clock. The kids are in the car. Well, 2 of the kids are in the car. I'm about to put Onyx in the car and we're gonna go run our errands. I just realized I have not vlogged anything. I've already went to 2 stores and I'm on my way to the last one, but I just need to pick some pictures up from Walgreens. And then I'm currently in the Dutch Bros drive-thru. I'm gonna pick up the kids some hot cocoa and probably take them by the PARK after I pick up pictures. So that should be a fun little outing for the morning. And I'm not sure what else we're gonna do. I think I might have the kids, maybe after Ayla takes a nap, I might have the kids decorate their little ornaments that they got in their boxes or their baskets. But we shall see. I'm not too sure. Okay, brought the kids over to the park. They're drinking their hot cocoa. Onyx is asleep. I'm gonna let them play for a little bit, but not too long because it is cold. I should have just bought some hot chocolate at the store when we went, huh, Daya? So next time we go to the grocery store, I'm just gonna buy stuff for us to make hot chocolate because they are really digging this hot chocolate. You're so beautiful, Ayla. Daya. Yeah, he's running around playing. You wanna go play with him?
Yeah, cool! Yay!
Yeah, baby. Be careful, son. Books.
Yeah.
No, they leave books in here, and you can leave books too, or you can just come and read the books and leave them. Ayla, you're getting that stuff all in your hair, city girl. Nice bow. You got it. My kids are brave, strong little beans. Wow.
I think
So just an update, we are still at the park. It's 11:30. The kids are having fun, so I'm just gonna let them keep playing. Onyx is gonna be ready to eat soon, so I'm probably gonna have to feed him and once he wakes up. But yeah, the kids are having fun, so I'm just gonna let them keep playing.
And one more time, and one more
It's not a spider, Mama. It's not a spider. Are you guys getting tired? So this has been the kids' little toy rotation that's in the living room. I have all their Christmas books up. I have some other books that came from their room that I usually take back, but Ayla's napping. I have this little weatherboard, a basket full of randoms. These are his trains and blocks to go to this little set. I have these two little books and then these little stuffy toys. So just want to update you guys about my little diet. So I'm gonna find a spot and chat with you guys real quick. Okay, so initially the purpose of me trying a week diet was just to get my mindset prepared for the new year. I have in mind kind of like I'm just playing around with a diet that I want to attempt. So this diet is basically where I just have fruits, vegetables, tea, soup, and protein. And so this diet is not hard by any means. It's doable. And yesterday I started it and I did it all day up until 8 p.m. where I did have something I shouldn't have ate. I had a peanut butter and jelly sandwich and a cookie, one cookie. But let me just explain that my mindset all day yesterday was like correcting. Like there were times where like Ayla was eating something and she didn't finish it, where normally I would finish it. I was having those urgencies too, but I didn't. So I did really good all day yesterday. And then today, I'm kind of being very much more lenient. Because I have to remember, you guys, I'm not even 2 months postpartum and I'm trying to diet, but I really should not be trying to diet. I just need to work on my mindset. So my mindset for this diet that I'm working, I'm gonna make sure I'm getting my protein, fruits, and vegetables in. I wanna be snacking on more nuts and vegetables as my snacks. I would like my breakfast to still be a protein shake. My dinner, I don't mind the soup, but I do need more than just the soup because I ate a total of 4 bowls of soup yesterday. They were small bowls, but I rather just, I feel like my body just needs more, which is why at night is why my body's craving more. Breastfeeding, if you don't know, heightens your amount of calories intake that you need to maintain your breast milk supply. And just by yesterday, I could tell that my body was not getting as much as I need. So I am going to be working on that, but I am still focusing more on like a healthier, cleaner diet instead of just kind of like mindlessly eating like I normally. So aside from breastfeeding, the other reason I really do need to make this adjustment is because my husband and I both know when I am hangry, and that was definitely me yesterday and this morning. And so when I do not feel like I am receiving enough calories in my diet to maintain a positive, positive mind space or mental health, then I know it's not gonna last. I tried this a few years ago with Pedro. We did a low calorie diet. Actually, it was probably last year or 2 years ago, I don't know. And I was doing good. I think we almost made it a week, but then I just noticed I was not able to do it. And when I am not happy, like, it affects my mood, it affects my energy. And so in order for me to keep up with 3 kids, breastfeeding, and trying to be on a good diet, I noticed like me trying to eat literally nothing is not gonna work. So I am still sticking to my diet, which is, like I said, a smoothie, soups, vegetables, protein, But if I do have like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich or something like that, as long as it's not processed and out like fast food, I'm not gonna beat myself up about it. But I'm also not gonna allow myself to eat when I don't need to. So it's like a whole mental thing that I'm working on, you guys. So if it doesn't make sense to you, it's okay. It's for me to remember. And so that is that. Onyx has now been fed and he is falling asleep over here. I need to change his diaper, but I'm gonna let him rest a little bit. Ayla is laying down. I just put Jedediah down. So he is supposed to have quiet time. But his attitude and behavior is telling me that he needs a nap. And so what I do is like, I've been telling him like, okay, when Ayla goes down for a nap, it's your quiet time. He gets one chance to go into the front room for his quiet time and stay in there until I go get him. I usually will go get him. I have never gotten the chance to go get him because he comes out. So if he were to stay in there, I would get him after anywhere between 30 to 60 minutes. So I don't need him to stay in there that long. I just want him to detach, refresh himself, and then come back out. But he never lets me. So today I sent him in there and then he came out. So I told him, I was like, if you come out one time, you're going in your bed for your quiet time, which the sound machine is on. It's dark in there. Ayla's sleeping in there. So more than likely he's going to take a nap. And it's almost 1:30. So I don't know if he still needs naps or not, but I've been playing it by ear and just kind of moving with the flow of him. And so I'm not sure if he's going to take a nap, but as long as he doesn't wake his sister up, I don't care. So before I try to sit down and rest myself, I try to refresh the house because this kind of just helps me get through the second half of the day without feeling overwhelmed and stressed out before cooking dinner. So I've already picked up the kids' toys. I'm gonna take this down because the kids like to push it around the house and climb on it, and that kind of just drives me nuts. How you handle? How you handle over here? Aren't you here, Mommy? Mommy's over here cleaning. How are you doing? Are you? Say, Mama, where'd you go? All right, I've finished cleaning. I'm ending this little vlog on the couch. My kids are asleep. I'm feeding Onyx. I'm going to relax and probably watch some YouTube if there's any videos. If not, I'm gonna do my Bible study. I just feel like relaxing and doing nothing. I'm so blessed to have 3 beautiful, healthy kids, and my husband, and our car, and our food. So all the aches and pains of life are minimal. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.